Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest, in-depth reviews of trending fashion finds. Today, we're diving into what I'm calling the best white halter neck dress of the year. The VIMPUNEC 2024 Women's Summer Wedding Guest Formal Dress. This dress is everything you want for a summer event. From weddings to cocktail parties, beach vacations to birthday teas, this dress blends sweetness and elegance with effortless flair. The first thing you'll notice is the silhouette. A classic A-line cut that flatters all body types. It's short, flowy, and light, giving you both movement and style. Whether you're walking into a wedding reception or dancing the night away at homecoming, this dress fits the vibe. Let's talk design. The halter neckline ties at the back, creating an open back that's tasteful yet eye-catching. The mock neck at the front balances the exposed back perfectly, giving the dress a modern formal look. It's sleeveless, which keeps things cool in the summer heat, but that doesn't mean it lacks detail. In fact, the outer layer of the dress features 3D flower appliques on delicate tulle. That texture adds dimension and makes the dress pop in photos and under event lighting. It's made of 100% terylene, a synthetic fiber that's smooth, lightweight, and easy to wear. The inner lining adds softness and comfort, so you can enjoy the day without worrying about irritation or clingy fabric. Plus, this fabric is machine washable, making it easier to maintain than your typical formal dress. The color we're showcasing is white, clean, crisp, and perfect for both daytime and evening events. You could pair it with nude heels for a soft bridal shower look or bold accessories for a more dramatic evening appearance. And because it's a solid color, it leaves room for you to get creative with jewelry, shoes, and hairstyling. Now, sizing. The VIMPUNEC dress comes in a full range from extra small to XX large. The loose fit and flowy structure mean you get breathing room while still enjoying a defined silhouette. And because of the halter tie closure, you can customize the neckline fit to your comfort level. In terms of versatility, this dress is a win. It's ideal for spring and summer weddings, but it also works for fall if you layer it with a jacket or shawl. Use it for a beach vacation dinner one weekend and then repurpose it as a bridesmaid dress the next. It's that adaptable. If you're hunting for a sweet, stylish, and eye-catching white dress with formal flair, this is one to seriously consider. The mock neck and tie-back halter combo gives it elegance. The 3D floral appliques add personality. And the short A-line swing cut keeps it playful and fresh. All of that for a price that's affordable, with the added perk of being machine washable. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. And let us know in the comments what occasion you'd rock this dress at. Until next time, stay stylish.